they can run their family very easily. So this is the solution, and we have a lot of money. We can do like this. Government should think about this very seriously. Actually, this is the very uh, good things for us. Actually, so many billionaires are there, rich people are there. They come to the temple, then they donate a big amount of money, crores of rupees amount of gold, like that. So we should open a good schools and colleges to provide them education free of cost, so they can educate, and after education they will get a job and all. And
Right. Hmm.
So many worship places
Right.
like mosque, temples, gurudwaras, and so on like that.
Ah.
So this is a place where people go for the worship purpose only. What can be the other purpose? What we can utilize that one? What is options are there that one we can do? For example, as he told that what donation money we are getting, you can use for that one. In South India and even North India also some people
See.
talk that we can make library and all. You tell what ideas more can be
Actually,
there?
see, I have one idea. Actually, new generation, new youth, just going away of these spiritual temples, or you can say Gurudwara.
Right.
Their focus is not on the temples.
Right.
Okay. Most of the time, new generation used to use these mobile phones. Okay. So according to me, we can build a gym or sports complex inside this temple area.
Okay, gym and
So
sports
that
complex.
youth can go inside the gym, and along with that they can also do the worship.
Hmm.
Okay, so when we can utilize this money according to this. way.
Yeah, in some what is called that? Now you can see some of that. Yeah.
So that new youth can divert their mind towards all these activities.
Okay. And what about the idea of library? Please.
Yes,
Let
library.
me finish.
Yes.
Hmm?
Let him finish first.
Hmm.
After finishing, I will.
Okay, okay. Yeah, sir has done. Please you tell.
If we can, if we observe our Hindu dharma or Muslim dharma in every,
And religion.
if you make a rules and connect to the, if we make any rules and connect with the that dharma, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh side,
Yeah.
everybody can follow easily. I have so many examples. See, if we cut tree in people tree, why we worship here? The scientifically that tree is a very beneficial for us.
Right.
If this rules are not made for this was not connected to the God, people generally cut it and do not care about that. We connected our ancestors.
That one tree belongs to this one god and all,
Yeah.
so people fear.
Even river.
Yeah, river also.
Yeah. We put coins there.
Hmm.
Earlier, it was made for cleanness of the rivers. That was that are coins of copper coins. We throw in the rivers. Even whenever we cross the river, we drop our coins. Why we do this? We do for the cleanness of the water. And we worship in especially I'm talking about Hindu Dharma. Everything is connected to the God and people follow easily. So I would like to people make rules, and if we want to make any changes to our society, you can collect. Yeah, you can people can gather in temple. At there we can arrange seminars. If we want to change anything in our society, at there people can easily reach there in temple, mosque, gurudwara. So in I would like to focus in mosque. They focus on their pass, and every Friday they come, or any day Muslims go there and they follow easily. That's why they are spreading and their followers. I'm not telling.
Yeah,
any
that is okay.
bad
That
things.
followers are growing up, but
Yeah,
what is the advantage of that?
this is the advantage.
Number is not a problem.
No, I'm not saying bad thinking over there. They are maximum people follow their rules. In the if you go to temple.
I think a little bit we are the purpose is see as a religion a particular people and particular group can grow, that's okay, but our question was what else are the other options that one we can do for the growing. For example, sir said that whatever the donation money is there that should be used for the education purpose, for the food purpose of the needy people. The health facilities also can be there. Manoj sir told about there that one we can make the some not library. He told about especially the sports complex and the gym and all like that one. Even the making some kind of, you can say, a special kind of gardening can be started there. That one, right? You are about to tell, I think, right? Gardening and some tree we can grow from there. Lots of, you can say, thing can be used. Apart from this, library is one of the good options. Nowadays, generally people don't wanna go, but not only the religious book, but also the every sectors like maths, mathematician. Generally for maths people don't go much, but for the physics, chemistry, even the history novels, some the story books, even for the small children there should be some things like that one. If you utilize these money on that one sector, that can be a lot. And as you said, that one there should be taught how to live there and how to follow the religion in that good way, right? But generally we see in so many temples, so many mosques and so many different places, they try to make a person where you can say a strong devotee and a negative way like this. So Kattarpanti type like that one. So these kind of things are made. This is generally negative purpose. इसके बारे में हम बात नहीं करना. We are just talking कि what can be other uses, different uses like that.
I'm talking about the right thinking.
Yeah.
Not going.
I'm not saying you are wrong
Yeah.
saying. You are saying that one कि उसमें अपने को कैसे बढ़ा रहे हैं, अच्छे से रख रहे हैं like that one. But our question is that वो कर रहे हैं that separate. Worship places generally, prayer places are like that. Generally, if a prayer place belongs to a particular religion, they always try to go for the that one कि हाँ हमें कैसे से रहना है, what we have to do, what should be our purpose, what should be our plan and all. That is okay, but different uses, other uses what it can be there. If you go to the Chhatarpur, they have a special yoga center, they have a special school, right? And with the donation of that particular temple, there can be utilized some as the hospitals also. There are some like that.
So many temples are
There
have
they
a, trust.
So much gold is kept there. That gold is not being utilized properly. Because gold, if you are going to keep, where is the utilization of that one? There are some temples in the different places. Not only the temples, but the other religious places also. All the whatever the golds are there, that should be utilized for the particular purpose. Yeah, as a bond, as a money, that one will be for the temple. But the temple which is located in a particular area, they must work for the particular area. In that one area, especially the health facilities, education facilities, library facilities, this kind of things. You know, there is a temple, and that one temple has a huge area surrounding like that. That is being used for nothing. So many just open like that one. So as he was about to tell about gardening, we can do.
So they can set up like a nursery. And
Nursery, yeah.
comes in the temple and any kind of
And some people can get job also through that.
This whoever they teach about the spirituality, they also